Make a great choice today with the 2014 Equinox. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, dual power mirrors, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tilt steering wheel, cloth upholstery, dual airbags. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.